As you can see, we've got yet another Big Dog Builds accessory rack. You've got your steady side lights on these roof racks. You simply hold down the button there and that's going to transition between 3 different brightness settings on those lights on the sides. The Switch Pro unit obviously has got memory built in as well, so if you want to turn your lights on whenever you start the vehicle, if you've got things like air compressors on board as well, you can leave them on the whole time. It's not going to run while the vehicle's off because of the settings that we do through the Bluetooth app. But if you want your work lights on, you jump into the caravan and you want to kill all the lights at the campsite, if you're in Bluetooth range, simply open the Switch Pro app and you're going to be able to turn off all of those settings. It's our #1 option there. Super simple, super neat, and I can't think of a better setup to use on our builds.